Hello again and welcome to my channel. This is Renee with Mommy for 5 Griffins, and today I've got a DIY using the Dollar Tree clings. I'm trying to redecorate some very old mirrors. I've had these mirrors for about 25 or so years, and they're getting kind of spotty and they've got stains and stuff on them. But I forgot to get some Dollar Tree doilies. What I want to do is I want to paint the frames a different color, and also use the doilies for around the glass, around the frame of the glass, to put a little bit more color. And I've got some questions for you. As far as the frames, I was thinking about maybe doing maybe a whitish color or something like that. What color would you paint the frames? I plan on using some blues and some other colors with a doily stencil to go around the border of the glass. But what color would you paint the frames? They're really old, like I said, and it's just a very hard plastic frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it really well, and then probably paint the frames with a spray paint or a craft paint. Right now I'm just positioning the cling. I got these clings from the Dollar Tree. The first cling that I'm putting up is from Dollar Tree. It says, "Open your heart to new adventures." I thought that was a really good saying, so I'm positioning that one on this mirror. It's kind of hard to see with the mirror background, but as you can see, they open your heart to new adventures, and I'm just going to go around it with the other colors and everything. So this is part one. Now this is the cling for the entryway. It just says "Home Sweet Home," but it was a really pretty. And as you can see in my living room, I do need to clean and declutter. That'll probably be another video for next week. But here's the other mirror. And in this mirror, I hope it's not imbalanced, but I do have a larger cling to put on that one that I actually ordered from Amazon. And it's a really nice larger cling. Decorating redo, and I plan on doing quite a bit of DIYs and painting and all kinds of stuff, because as you can see from my French doors and the wall trim, they're actually totally different colors of trim. So my house has at least 4 different colors of trim. Here's the cling, the larger cling that I had got from Amazon, and like I said, it's a larger one, so that's going to take me more time to put up, but I thought it was really pretty and really inspirational. I like the inspirational clings, so hopefully on that side it won't be unbalanced. But as I said, this is just part 1, so stay tuned for part 2, and we'll do some cleaning and some DIYs and some decluttering. Please, as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. I love you guys. Have a wonderful evening.